a great initiative which Kerakoll team has taken, and this boosts our knowledge on thing which contributes to our environment.
And today these kind of activities bring us close to the nature, and it is very amazing and exciting.
And it was really interesting because we are somewhere missing around the roots with soil, connecting with the soil. So it was really a good experience for us, and I would really suggest people to get into it, connect to your roots and understand how sustainability works.
I think the team was very enthusiastic, and I was actually surprised to see that everybody was so involved in it. I think the architects and the designers appreciated.
And it was really great because being regularly in this office zone and all, we just get too frustrated, but this was really fantastic job you guys did today.
First time we experienced something like this on a World Environment Day, otherwise it was a typical always.
They have came absolutely superb and everyone enjoyed. Thanks a lot, Team Kerakoll.